Hello guys, welcome to the another video in Python. In this video, we will discuss about the set data type in the Python. As we can see that set is one of the built-in data type in the Python, and it's looks like this. Set will be in like a curly braces. Okay, how do we create a sets? For example, you can directly create, like you can take any variable equal to curly braces of this. Now what is set? Set is like a immutable and it is unordered, and only unique elements it will contains. Is there any, if for example is there any duplicate elements, it will simply remove that and it will showcase only the unique elements. Okay, so in the further going further, I will discuss all these things: what is mean by unordered, what is mean by immutable, what is mean by unique elements. Okay, so let's take for example one list we have. Okay, that list is contains like this, these kind of strings: hi, hello, hola, oi, hi. So here hi is repeating two times. Okay, but with this list we are going to create a set and we are going to print it, and let's see what happens. Yeah, as we can see here, it is printed oi, hi, hola and hello. We have hi two times, but it's only printed once because it will only considers the unique elements. Okay, as I said, it is unordered. See, if you see, the list is in this order, like hi, hello, hola and oi, but it is printed like oi, hi, hola, hello, like it is like completely unordered. If you print it once again, okay, now you see first O is printed, after that hola is printed, and then hi, and then hello. So it is completely unordered. And I told one more property, that is the set is immutable. In that case, for example, you can alter the set. For example, you have only 5 elements or 4 elements in this particular set, you can add one more element or delete one more element, but you cannot change the existing elements. Okay, how to create a set from the list? Similarly, we can see here tuple. From the tuple, how we can create a set? So tuple, we know that it is with a like this contains it, these kind of parentheses. Okay, so once you give set of tuple, this will also create is converted into a set. Now execute it once again. Yes, now there are two sets, one is the first one and the second one is this one. So in this all are unique elements and it is printed like completely again unordered way. So there is one more thing. Let's say for example you have here the string hi, so you wanted to create a set from this particular string itself, like list of 0, and see what happens. See, again it is converted into hi. The same thing will happen in the lists also. For example, you have one string like this, and if you wanted to convert this one into one list of string, what happens? Yes, here we see that the string is here, and if you convert that one into the list, each individual character is now become one element and it is given like HGRE. If you convert the same thing into the set, let's see what happens. See, now it is only printed HRE. So because the E element is getting repetitive and set will only take the unique elements, so that's why the E got skipped. Okay, yeah, now back to our original thing. Let's remove these things. Okay, yeah, these are just to show how it will happen in the list and set I have just taken. So now we got what is a set and how to create it, what are its properties. Now let's see some of the operations on the sets. Okay, most of the operations on sets, it is like a mathematical operations. Like earlier in our school days, we see the Venn diagrams, right? The union, intersection and adjacent, sub list, these things. Okay, now here we can see that all the operations on the sets. The first one is a union. If you give x1 or x2, it is like a union, it will combine values in the both the sets. If you execute, we can see here that this is the first list, sorry, this is the first set and this is the second set, and this is a union of both of them. Like it contains all the elements from the set 1 and set 2. Okay, and the next operation is intersection. The intersection, we know that, which is a common element. If anything which is in the both the sets, that will be printed here. Now this is the code for the intersection x1 and symbol, actually we call it as ampersand, and then the x2 and then print it. Yeah, we can see that O is the common element between the both the sets, so that is got printed. The next operation we are going to perform is difference. So what happens in the difference case is, so it will be removed whatever elements in the set 1. In set 1 we have hi, hello, oi and hola. In the second one we have this one, and what is the common element between them? Oi, and oi will be removed from the set 1 and remaining elements in the set 1 will be given. So now let's execute and see. Yes, so the oi is the common one which got subtracted from the set one, and the remaining elements got printed. Okay, now the another operation we have is symmetric difference. This is XOR. It will give the elements which are not common in both the lists, sorry, both the sets. So we can see that what, hello, hola, y. So only y is not printed because this is common in both the sets. The element which is not present in both the sets will not be taken. Remaining all other elements are taken. Okay, so these are some of the operations on the sets. Yeah, this is all about I have sets. So I will upload this code in the Git. Please see the content in our channel. If you like the content and explanation in our channel, please subscribe and also like it and share it. Thank you for watching.